UK police forces are expanding their use of live facial recognition technology, deploying it via specially equipped vans to scan public crowds and compare faces against watch lists of serious offenders. Civil liberties and human rights organizations are calling for a suspension of police use of live facial recognition until legislation is enacted to regulate it. They are citing concerns over accuracy and discrimination. The UK Home Office has expanded the use of LFR to 7 police forces: Greater Manchester, West Yorkshire, Bedfordshire, Surrey, Sussex, Thames Valley, and Hampshire. In the private sector, supermarket chain Sainsbury's has launched an 8-week trial of live facial recognition in 2 of its stores, one in London and one in Bath.
Stop there! Stop where you are! Get off! Don't make off. Get off! Get off the boy! Wait, when was this? Okay, listen to me. The time, listen to me, I'm trying to explain it to you. Okay, so the time's 11:51, you are under arrest, okay, because you wanted a theft that happened on the 8th of September 2024 at Hollister, at the Arcade E20, okay, so you didn't have to say anything, but it may harm your defence if you don't mention one question. Something you should let around in court.
Why are you telling me about
Safeguards cited by authorities include automatic deletion of biometric data for individuals who do not match police watch lists, as well as independent testing of algorithms in use by the National Physical Laboratory. The Equality and Human Rights Commission has raised concerns that the Metropolitan Police's LFR policy may be incompatible under the European Convention on Human Rights, particularly rights to privacy, freedom of expression, and assembly. Data from London suggests black men are flagged by LFR alerts at a higher rate and disproportionately. We've also seen that here in the United States. This is relative to their share of the population there. Critics argue that this shows bias in the technology or deployment. Police report that LFR has led to over 1,000 arrests in London, including for serious crimes such as rape, violent assault, and domestic abuse. Of those arrested, around 773 have been charged or cautioned. A public consultation is planned by the Home Office to create a bespoke legal framework governing law enforcement's use of facial recognition in the UK. The UK police have noted that only people on the watch list are compared. Images of people who are not matched are supposed to be deleted immediately. Deployments must be intelligence-led, meaning the technology is used in response to specific information or threat, not used randomly everywhere. And there must be signage for the public in areas where LFR is active to alert people to its use. But what do you think? Is this going too far as a breach of our privacy? We've seen examples of this in China. And how far are our governments willing to go? On the other hand, if you did do something illegal, should you be arrested? I mean, not all of us are saints. So do you want this type of surveillance state? Do you want your data being read and in all likelihood stored? Let me know your thoughts.